What if everything you know about technology is already outdated? Right now, somewhere in America, scientists are quietly building technologies the public has never seen. Not next year, not decades from now, today. Imagine waking up one morning to discover that artificial intelligence can predict your future decisions. Robots have replaced entire industries overnight, and secret inventions have changed the world without anyone noticing. Sounds impossible? Maybe. But some of these technologies already exist behind closed doors, while others are developing faster than anyone expected. The real question isn't if the future is coming, it's whether we're already living in the beginning of it. Stay with us, because what you're about to see might completely change the way you think about the future of technology.